Hi Rakesh,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Rakesh, introduce yourself and about your college.
Ma'am, my name is Rakesh. I'm from Ballari. I'm completed in B in Civil Engineering from Ballari Institute of Technology and Management from Ballari.
Okay, Rakesh, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
My friends are came and they are selected, placed at different companies, ma'am. Design Cave, Bonito Design. They are referred to me.
Okay, that's nice. Like for which course you have joined for?
CSEM, ma'am.
CSM. Okay, like certificate
Advanced
course on advanced construction management. You have to like what are the new topics you have covered and what you have gained.
material calculation, bar bending schedule, QS class, site visits, and sequence of construction, methodology, understanding of BOQ, specification, and all.
Okay, like how about your software sessions? What are the softwares you have covered?
Yes, ma'am. AutoCAD, SketchUp, Manjunath sir will take class and
Okay, like how about your site visits and showroom visits? Where you have went and what you have learned in the
yes,
practical
ma'am.
classes?
Um, there different sites, ma'am. Design Cafe, Homeland, Satwa Group, JD Construction.
How was your theory classes and practical classes? How it affected you?
For knowledge is gaining of knowledge and site visits, practical knowledge. They are good, ma'am. Theory
Okay.
classes will teach all practical knowledge. We go with site and
Okay, Rakesh. Like, how was the Ashok sir support towards you? How sir motivated you and guided you?
Ashok sir, really good, ma'am. That's day Saturday conducting webinars through extra knowledge and motivating how to get the jobs, how to communication is important and saying so, all things.
Okay, how about the staff and coordinator support? Like, how they supported in you in CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. Staff Natarajan sir and Virupaksha sir take the classes, construction classes. They clarified my doubts and go through it, ma'am. And Sweta ma'am, Deepa ma'am, placement training, train the placements, conducting placements and
How was the app helped you out? Like, what are the benefit of CMTI app?
CMTI app, ma'am, practical and theoretical knowledge, how to take the measurements, fit outs, interior construction, site knowledge, bar bending schedule, AutoCAD, and all extra, etc.
Okay. Rakesh, how was your placement round? Like, how you
Placement.
cracked the interview?
Yes, ma'am. Three rounds are there, ma'am. First, introduction, ma'am. And second, software conducting software test, AutoCAD, and a last round HR round, ma'am.
Okay, like for which role you have selected for?
I selected design role, ma'am.
Okay,
Design.
that's nice. I think you're happy with your placement and the role which you have got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Happy.
finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI?
Uh, CMT for good for knowledge, gaining of knowledge, and site visits, and extra civil and construction interior software training. They are good, ma'am.
Okay, Rakesh, thank you for your feedback. That was nice. Like, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Okay, have a bright future. Thank you for your feedback.
Okay.